Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. Million of steel drum barrel manufacturing. China factory, fastest barrel production line and process. Steel drum barrels are essential in various industries for storing and transporting liquids, chemicals, and other goods. A leading steel drum manufacturing factory in China has revolutionized the production process to ensure efficiency, quality, and sustainability. Below, we detail the step-by-step process behind their cutting-edge production line. The journey begins with premium-grade steel coils. These coils undergo stringent inspections to ensure they meet the factory's high standards for quality and consistency. Using advanced shearing machines, the steel coils are precision cut into sheets of the required dimensions. This preparation step ensures the raw material is ready for the subsequent manufacturing stages while minimizing waste. The cut steel sheets are fed into rolling machines, where they are shaped into cylindrical forms to create the drum bodies. This stage employs precise electric resistance welding (ERW) technology, which fuses the edges together to form a seamless and robust structure. The ERW method ensures the drums can withstand high levels of stress and prevent leakage, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. With the cylindrical body formed, the next step involves flanging and corrugation. Flanging machines shape the edges of the drum body to allow for secure attachment of the lid and bottom. At the same time, the drum's body undergoes corrugation, where rings or grooves are added. These corrugations enhance the drum's structural integrity, providing additional resistance against deformation during handling and transportation. In parallel with drum body formation, lids and bottoms are manufactured using dedicated machinery. These components are then attached to the drum body through high-precision seaming machines. The seaming process creates leak-proof and durable joints, ensuring the drum's contents remain secure even under challenging conditions. This meticulous assembly process guarantees the drums meet the rigorous standards required by global industries. Steel drums are exposed to various environmental conditions, making corrosion resistance a critical factor. The factory employs a multi-step surface treatment process to protect the drums and enhance their appearance. The drum's surface is cleaned thoroughly to remove any impurities, rust, or scale. A chemical treatment is applied to form a protective phosphate layer, improving the drum's resistance to corrosion. Painting. Environmentally friendly coating methods are used to apply a durable and visually appealing finish. These methods comply with global sustainability standards, ensuring minimal environmental impact. The final surface treatment step includes an automatic drum surface spray booth, where the drums are uniformly coated for a flawless finish. This advanced automation ensures consistency and efficiency in production. Every drum produced by the factory undergoes rigorous quality control measures. Testing procedures include strength testing, ensuring the drum can withstand external pressures and loads. This Chinese steel drum factory has integrated state-of-the-art automation technologies across its production line. From precise cutting and welding to automated spray booths, every step is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize human error. This approach has positioned the factory as a leader in steel drum manufacturing, capable of producing millions of barrels annually without compromising on quality. A square can making production line is a highly efficient system designed to manufacture square-shaped metal cans used for packaging various products like edible oils, chemicals, and food items. This production line integrates advanced machinery to streamline the process, ensuring high precision and consistent quality. The process begins with sheet metal preparation, where raw metal sheets are cut and shaped. The next stage involves body forming, where the sheets are bent into a square shape and securely joined using welding or seaming techniques. Afterward, flanging machines create smooth edges for seamless lid attachment. The lids and bottoms are produced simultaneously, often using die cutting and forming processes. The assembly line continues with sealing and leak testing to ensure airtight and durable cans. For added value, printing and coating machines can apply custom designs, logos, or protective layers to the cans. Automation is central to this system, minimizing manual labor while maximizing output and precision. Modern square can production lines are engineered for flexibility, enabling quick adjustments to accommodate different sizes or designs. These systems cater to high-demand industries, delivering robust, lightweight, and eco-friendly packaging solutions that meet strict quality standards efficiently and cost-effectively.